Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to generate Instagram captions for your Instagram photos or videos. Right, so if you want to create captions for any kind of Instagram photos, you can use AI to create really engaging and creative Instagram captions. And this example we're gonna use copy.ai. And the great thing about this software is that you can start using it for absolutely free, and you can start using it free by clicking the link in the description below, and you're gonna be able to sign up for an absolutely free plan. And if you don't like it, you don't have to cancel a subscription because you don't have to add any kind of credit card details. So once you signed up for copy.ai, if you want to create Instagram captions, all you have to do is click on Instagram captions here. Then first you have to add what is your post about. So let's say so as you can see, first you have to add some description what your post is all about. So in this example, I said I just received my first job offer at a financial firm, and you can add up to 1000 characters. Then you have to add a tone. You can choose these default tones here, as you can see, but you can also add custom tones here. So let's say Joe Rogan style, and then click on create content, and the copy.ai AI tool will try to generate some good Instagram captions for this. So as you can see, it has generated us a lot of Instagram caption examples. So if you don't like the outputs, of course you can change the inputs here. So let's say we want to change it from Joe Rogan to witty, and then click on create content, and then it will generate us witty and funnier Instagram captions. Score: I just got offered an incredible joy by a top financial firm. So again, a lot of outputs. So all in all, this is how to use copy.ai or software to generate engaging and click-worthy Instagram captions for your Instagram posts. As I said, you can try out copy.ai for absolutely free. You can use it for writing blog posts and use all of their templates. As you can see, they have a ton of templates about writing blog posts, website copy, emails, general business, case studies for video content, and many more.